Clearbrow, North Dallas. 3 Porsches we're going to go over here, all 911s, and all in Expel's Ultimate Fusion. It's an Ultimate Plus film, 8 mil, with a ceramic manufactured into the film. Not like a Suntech product where it's a slick surface. That's not even a ceramic coating. This is a ceramic coating. So this is the ceramic coating is guaranteed for 4 years. The film is guaranteed for 10 in writing by Expel. Our installation warranty at Clearbrow, North Dallas is the life that you're the registered owner on the car that matches the invoice from us. Excuse me. So let's take a look around this car and show you what it is that I do on these cars. So starting here with the nose, we'll start with the emblem. So everything gets wrapped all the way around inside there. This comes off. This comes off the badge, goes back on. The film goes all the way through. Our hood gets done without any marks from adhesives and things like that. Everything gets wrapped in perfectly. So that's your fender hood, obviously. Everything wrapped in. Your headlight area, fully wrapped in. We don't do any seams here. There is a program where installers can have a seam. We don't do that. We don't separate it. It all goes in one smooth piece all the way back. Our fuel door fully wrapped in, and the fuel entry to the fender all wrapped in. Everything's wrapped in underneath. Everything's wrapped in all the way around. Our fender up top, we never leave a line here. It all gets wrapped in. A-pillars, all wrapped in. Mirrors, all in one piece, fully wrapped around. These lights, we do remove those so we can wrap inside here, so we don't have any line here. What we're doing is limiting the edges so that the film can get its full benefit when we wrap all the edges from anything hitting it, and it gives us a full benefit on the guarantee and the use of your film from when you take it to dealerships and other places that might pressure wash it and they can grab those edges. There are no edges available when we do it, except for if we can't get to an area. Moving through all this, fender door, fully wrapped in, like always. Coming around these mirrors, always wrapped in. Our door handles are fully wrapped in. All this here, from the A-pillar all the way back, sorry, all fully wrapped in. Everything's nice and clear. Fully wrapped in from the spoiler that pops up all the way here. Our lights, fully wrapped in. Fully wrapped in. And then we take our emblems off. These we had to purchase. They're too hard to tape, so there's no lines around them. They just go back in place. Much more of the same on this side. Rockers, appearance, package rockers, all done. Let's jump over to this red guy, GTS, or a GT3, sorry, didn't mean to insult it. Full with the sticker up there, fully wrapped in. Obviously, that's the new generation. This is the generation prior. You'll see that the bumper and fender are different. The fender now comes all the way down and around and has a smaller bumper. But nevertheless, fully wrapped, fully all the way wrapped around. No gaps, nice and clear, nice and shiny. If you guys have a car that's just painted with nothing on it, I'll take you on in gloss. This guy here has a lot of ceramic over the ceramic film. So this is paint protection film with ceramic in it, and then we put ceramic over it. All our lines all wrapped in, fully wrapped in. This mirror's all done in one piece. It generally calls for 2. This A-pillar all the way back, all wrapped in. So if you went somewhere and you have big lines on your car, it's not going to be that great. So this is what you want. You want to make sure that your expensive Porsche, Ferrari, Lambo, C8, Corvette, whatever you got that's an expensive, trucks are 100 G's now. All this here in the back, all removed with new lettering, fully replaced, no lines at all. Looks as if it's not even wrapped. This was taken out, put back in, taken out. So we don't have any lines. 0 up here, a little dust, no lines. No lines, everything's wrapped around. Same as here, bumper's fully wrapped. All this here, typically if you do a pattern, here's a line because it stops here. I wrap it all the way around. Okay, all these get taken out, fully wrapped in. Perfect. On this one here, so I have the full quarter panel, which starts here at the windshield, and it comes up all the way around, all the way to the tail light, all the way here, and all the way down. What we do on some of these cars, because the Porsche 911, GT4, whatever, a lot of rocks come off that front wheel and hit down here. So it's up to you, but we put an extra piece over here. We don't do it, we check with you. So you're gonna see a slight line there, but it's now you have nearly 20 mil of film in this high impact area, which does get nailed. So full one piece, and then we put another piece there. Some people say, why would you do that? I'd rather have the extra piece. You can wrap this 2 times, but you're looking at $2,000. No need for that. You just need that extra product from here down. It's fully wrapped in the door, down here and down here. This is the only place you're gonna see the line if you see it. But it's just an option. You don't have to do it. And much more the same. Our fuel doors are all wrapped. You won't see any lines. 0 up here. You're not going to see any lines. Again, in our windshield, fully wrapped in. You won't see any lines. Okay. Let's head on over to this white Carrera S. So those are 23 models. That GT3 is an 18. Starting up here on the emblem. Perfectly wrapped in. Nothing. All these edges fully wrapped. This car also has a ceramic film, and we threw extra ceramic over it just for that durability and slickness, all wrapped in. This is white. Those are red and blue, obviously. We still wrap them the same way, but we pay close attention to white because we're trying to limit your dirt lines. A dirt line on this will stick out like you wouldn't believe. You would not be happy. There are some areas we can't avoid. We do the best we can to wrap the fender in here and the bumper in here. This car was successful. Sometimes it doesn't allow it because we can't get in there and clean or get the edge that we need to get. But this car, we were able to do that due to manufacturing. They kind of are on our side. All this is all wrapped in. Our mirror, again, like the other ones over there, one piece. This A-pillar doesn't go across because it's a cabriolet convertible. So it's just this hook, and that gets fully wrapped. Take the top back, fully wrap it into the car. Our door, underneath the rubber here, fully done, fully wrapped in. The handles are fully wrapped. We don't leave an edge out here. All this is wrapped in the quarter, wrapped under the rubber, wrapped into the top. I mean, just an outstanding job. Taillights came out. Get my fingerprints off of there. Fully wrapped in, no dirt line there. You're gonna get a heck of a dirt line on the bottoms where the rockers are if you don't wrap them. And then back here where the airfoil is when you're driving, I make sure that this ass end is fully encapsulated, no lines. All this comes out, all this comes out. You won't see any lines anywhere on this back end. It'll look horrible if you didn't wrap it in. All this down here, fully wrapped in. Just a great job. So here we come around to these quarters, fully squared off, fully wrapped in, and we just want to show you guys the difference. What we do here, we make sure that everything gets done the best. So that handle, no edge, it's all wrapped around the backside right here. Our doors are wrapped in, our quarters, no lines. So and then coming around over here, last but not least, again, fenders, fully wrapped here, no line, no lines, door, fender, all wrapped in together. And our fuel door, fully wrapped, and then our fender fully wrapped in. These lights come out, the cornering lights, front markers, whatever you want to call them, fully wrapped, no lines. So there's, folks, Clearborough, North Dallas. We do it right. If you guys need to get a hold of us, 214-414-3809. We do much more than Porsches. We have a Beamer over there. We have a Lexus over there. We're clearing out this week. I'll be gone a couple weeks for the holiday for Christmas coming up. This is December 2022. I never take time off, but I am this month. So limited openings, and I need a vacation. I've been doing this too long with no days off. So Still dedicated, just need one before my brain pops out of my brain or my head, whatever. And this is what I do. I'm Brent. Take a lot of time in this. These cars get fully prepped, decontaminated. They come in and they stay in here. I keep this shop extremely clean. I got a polished floor. Everything's painted, plenty of lighting. I got lighting, probably 60 some lights in here. We got Tesla chargers for the Tesla people. There's 3 of them. Everything's closed off and all the filtration is filtered. So we like to make this right. This is what I do. So if you're looking to get your car done, give me a call. We can get you scheduled. I do have some spots in December, but I'll be gone more than half of the month. I'm in and out. I'll give you a cell, 940-703-8301 if you guys need to get directly, or text that other number, the 214-414-3809 is a landline that runs through a service, but it does accept text now. So you need something, let me know. Expel Film, #1 film worldwide. It's applied all over the world, and it is guaranteed 10 years in writing. All my stuff as far as the installation guaranteed in writing. And that's about it, folks. I appreciate you guys watching. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, all that stuff. And hopefully we'll see you soon.